look out and see the world. It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy and
Gabi, hello!
So guys, for today's video, we'll be showing you all how we set up our Christmas tree. We're trying to get into the Christmas spirit, right?
Yes, we are trying hard.
Yeah, but before
It's
we...
lockdown and all, but we are trying hard to get into the Christmas mood.
Yeah, so guys, here we have a little pizza.
Yummy!
And we have some olives, even though my mom doesn't care about them so much.
I tried one and it's great.
So we want to eat and tell you guys a bit about where we've been so far, and then we'll get into the Christmas tree making.
Can we eat now?
Yes, we can eat now.
Oh my god. So weiß nicht. Not me. Oh. Finally, you know how long we have to wait for this?
She was trying to have a slice. I'm like, what? You have to show the pizza.
She's too mean.
So mommy, tell them, where have we been?
At work. Trying to get our new equipment to hopefully share some better videos with you.
Yeah guys, so we got a new camera. I don't know if you can notice the difference.
I hope so.
I noticed myself just looking at the viewfinder the whole time, which is not good.
Yeah, we're looking 10 years younger.
Yeah, so we got a new camera, we got some new light equipment.
Yeah, big ones. There's a light bulb you wouldn't believe.
But now we still have one more problem, right guys? So
Which is one more problem?
we need the laptop so we can download the fancy editing software, because the laptop I have now cannot even download that big old of a software.
Yeah, but it's coming soon. So just be patient. Soon you will see a lot of us, right?
So we said we're gonna do Vlogmas, right? So Vlogmas is basically when you post every day until Christmas. And that's why we're still filming nonetheless. Regardless that we don't have the editing software or anything yet, I'm gonna still try and use my phone to edit until I get it. Yeah, because we don't want to miss Vlogmas, right guys?
Yes, cheers. I would like to share some of Frankfurt sights with you.
Yeah, we want to go
Frankfurt
outside.
is really nice. And stuff like that.
Guys,
Interesting facts about Jamaica and Germany.
Guys, like the video if you want to... Guys, like the video if you already saw our intro.
And give us your love.
Show some support, guys. Tell us how much you like the intro.
Pizza tastes really nice.
Oh God.
Would like to share that with you too.
It's so good.
But Krista, she had to do it herself, right?
Just fling in that oven. 10 minutes done. That's one good thing about Germany, because I think I can afford that frozen pizza in Jamaica. You'd rather buy some other things before you buy a frozen pizza in Jamaica.
Definitely. Remember, even sometimes we buy the ham, remember?
Yeah, like 600 or something.
Oh God.
I'm talking about the sliced ham or something. We used to make sandwiches.
And here it's so cheap, and in Jamaica you pay a ton of money for that because of course it's imported, and you know everything imported is more expensive.
Yeah. So this pizza was like what? €1.70 or so. So that's barely anything, you know. In Jamaica, how much would you pay for a frozen pizza?
Yeah, some things are cheap here. But ackee is really expensive. One can of ackee is like close to 10 euro, was it? Can you imagine? And breadfruit, I can't find any breadfruit here. No. Oh yeah, we have also some challenges coming up, which I don't look forward to. This bean boozle. And she put me up to this.
So guys, let me tell you. So you see for Vlogmas.
Wasn't my idea. You're just too mean.
So guys, for Vlogmas, we had this plan, right? I said on Mondays, we are going... What was the plan for Mondays again?
To what?
I think Mondays we were supposed to do like videos that are like Christmas related. Then on Tuesdays we wanted to do challenges. Wednesdays we wanted to do like competitive stuff.
Right, and in between we working and studying.
You have to mention that. Then we wanted to do Jamaican video, like stuff about Jamaica, and then one day stuff about Germany. And then on the weekend we wanted to do a vlogging video, like on Saturday we put up a vlog of outside. And maybe Sunday we could like do something cooking wise, you know?
Crystal is cooking.
Yeah, and you're filming me.
Yes, you're cooking. But we also want to make some Plätzchen, cookies.
Cookies in German.
Like my favorite recipe with coconut in it, and also Jamaicans can try that one because there's enough coconut in Jamaica, right?
I want to make the soft cookies. What do you call those? Butter cookies, something like that.
My cookies I made at work, them are soft, let me tell you.
But they're like some special German cookies. They're so soft.
I want all soft. No.
Okay.
Ja, nimm du die mal, ne?
I'm gonna feed you with
You
them.
guys like Olive as much as she does?
So guys, since
Du hast geklickert.
this dang clicker. This lady's rude. She dropped the wall of the thing on the place and I say me do it.
Of course I would do it. I would never, ever.
Everything is on camera.
And she pranked me again. Wait until my turn come, guys. My turn. Wait. I'm gonna prank her so bad. Huh.
Guys, since I came to Germany, I fell in love with olives. These ones are like spicy, salty, a bit of garlic. I love them because they remind me a bit of, you know, the pepper pot, the June plum and salt and pepper.
I don't think they taste anything like a June plum.
But with the salt and the pepper.
They don't.
For me, they do.
Keep dreaming.
If y'all have ever tried olives, please tell me if they can be compared to June plum.
But they were healthy. So at least one thing, right?
You see?
And olive oil and so, yeah.
Yeah, they healthy. Stick to that. We get the bigger slice.
Now you're on a diet, not me. I put on a slight bit of weight here in Germany. Yeah. Don't laugh. Just a bit.
But guys, I'm so glad that she put on the weight.
Are your fault?
Yeah, blame me for your life problems.
I have to blame somebody.
But guys, me put on weight too.
Nine.
Like mother, like daughter.
Yeah, you know, in Jamaica you are much more up and down. Like you eat different things. I don't know. Here you just drive and drive again. You take the S-Bahn, the U-Bahn, the bus. You walk a little bit in between, but nothing like a yard. Yard, you chop bush.
But you forget the
You wash
part
your clothes with your hand, no? Not with the washing machine. Just remember that.
yeah, we do way more this of it too.
Yeah. Just alone to walk up our hill like.
But your ass officer time did rough. Food did depend on a budget.
Yeah, but I did like it.
Yeah, that
It
was
was nice.
of course.
I miss home. I'm extremely homesick, guys. You hear? Yeah. I miss Christmas dinner at my best friend's.
No way, no better than y'all.
So we're gonna have a Christmas dinner. What you're going to cook?
Oh, so I was saying, for Christmas dinner, I want to try to make the German style dinner. Well, at least for Christmas Eve.
Which is what?
The goose. Where they cook like the whole goose in the oven and it takes
But I
so
think
long.
Americans more like into turkey.
Yeah, but for us it's goose and Christmas in Germany, and
So it's not gonna be like my auntie I did do once, my duck.
she did a duck on Christmas, so this time I want to do a
And it
goose.
was so soft it just really literally fell apart. Yeah. Good luck.
So her duck had some difficulties, right? But my goose is gonna go good.
But it did taste nice.
Well, it tastes nice, but something did just go a little bit wrong.
It was soft.
Yeah. So that's the plan, and we might show you guys how we prepare it and stuff. And I mean, don't laugh now because it's gonna be my first time too. Who knows if you go feel
Yeah, right. And you plan to kill me in front of the camera, no? Ich sag nur hier, no?
So guys, this is our bean.
I'm dead.
What do you call this thing? Bean boozled. Bean boozled.
Yeah, this one is hot and spicy also. Poor me. If I ever live through this also, no, you have to clap me.
Look out for that challenge, guys.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah,
that's
see
not
the
gonna
before
kill
and after. What? How you know that? And the other one is like rotten egg and so. I mean, I don't want to spoil your appetite with your little olive stem, no? And a doodoo in it too?
you. No, mommy, stop it. Dog food and skunk spray.
I want to try dog food.
Guys, it's coming. The video is coming, so subscribe so you'll be notified, okay?
Mm-hmm. Definitely. If you want to see if I live through. She always want to hit me too. I mean, I'm the mother, she's the child and so, but she planning on hitting me. Can you imagine?
You're not even that surprised the people, them. She tell you all of the video idea, them.
Yeah? Sorry. Oh.
Or you just want them to subscribe so they don't miss nothing.
One or no.
Guys, so what she is talking about basically is that,
Are you wait until you see my 10 questions? She could not possibly answer them.
oh Jesus.
Oh.
So let's tell the people what we're talking about. So we said we're gonna do Who Knows Me Better challenge with the whipped cream. And at first she was like, nah, I that's not right, I'm your
Yes, that
mom.
is too foolish, like, you know.
Yeah, you also said, you're my mom, that's not respectful to hit you. Nah,
I never say that.
you did.
You
like,
can hit your child. But you're not supposed to hit me.
yeah, that's the point. So at first she didn't want to agree to it, but then I said, come on, I'm gonna be very soft. And if you get all the questions right, I don't have to smack her with the whipped
That's
cream.
what she said. Do you believe her?
So now she was just saying, I'm gonna get all her questions wrong.
Exactly.
That's her plan, so okay.
So you can imagine her face afterwards, like full of, no?
Mommy, yeah, definitely the first thing I don't want to do the video. No, you have
I
plans
want
for
to
me.
it, but I do it first, man, and then after you finish, you don't want to it over.
No, we do one you, one me.
Yeah.
Duh.
You only do one you and one you.
2 questions.
Nah. Definitely not.
Take a bite.
Yeah. You can have your little plums.
Guys, if you see how it comes up the place, it's a pizza very crumbly.
Not me. My place is clean. Look here.
Don't you have a plate over there for yourself?
Yeah, but look in comparison. Now, seriously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Krümel. And you will have 1 million.
Because you have all of the plate and I don't have no plate or something.
So why you don't have a plate? Good question, guys, why she doesn't have a plate.
Why be romantic and share a pizza?
Romantic. Okay, guys, that was a joke. Romantic.
You have a mother and daughter moment. What's wrong with romantic? Guys, we have a confession to make.
Really? Don't say anything you regret.
So guys, the last 2 years then we not even put up a Christmas tree.
Yeah, because you don't want one.
No, because we're just too busy. Life just have where we are. We just said, sure. Because it's always such a pain to take it back down.
Yeah, because where I work also Christmas time is a really busy time. And after all the decorations there, you don't even feel like seeing any more Christmas stuff.
Yeah, she has to celebrate Christmas at work like crazy, so I don't know. You don't have the vibe anymore when you come home.
Nah. We're out vibes.
But this time, we're trying to enjoy Christmas, get into the Christmas spirit, because you're not going to get the spirit anywhere else in Frankfurt because we are in lockdown.
Not even Christmas market we have, sake of this one here, right? You all know that one, wow.
Because of the C word, huh?
Which C word?
The C word with the mashed down the world, you know.
That's really shitty mask. Not weird because I have to, but it's not nice. I think you all agree with me.
No, not at all. The Christmas ruined. Can't go nowhere, can't go eat nowhere.
No Christmas market. No Mohnköpfe for Gabi. Oh,
What do you call those things in English?
I don't know what is a Mohnkopf in English.
Maybe we can show them one day with one cup or put a picture there.
Something very delicious, guys. And only once a year I buy them there, and that's when I Christmas market there, and this year it's...
If you all want, you can Google German Christmas market or the Frankfurt Christmas market in Germany. It's a big deal in Christmas time, you know?
Yeah, with Glühwein.
Can you compare it to Grand Market?
No, it's totally different.
It's totally different.
I Grand Market nice too, definitely.
Yeah.
It's much more lively and not like Heiligabend here in Germany. It's totally dead because people spend their time with family, which is nice also, but it's just streets dead. You don't see one single soul on the road, really. That's Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Our first Christmas, we're like, oh, we're gonna go out on Christmas. We went on the streets. You could
You
hear
didn't believe it.
You could hear a pin drop.
Yeah, we're all alone in Frankfurt. Three people walking. Nobody.
We did not expect that. Like Christmas Eve was dead. Nobody know how to look.
Yeah, but my auntie did tell us. She did warn us.
And we're like, nah, we're gonna go outside. That cannot be. You're crazy.
Right. But the second day on Christmas, it gets a bit livelier. Oder?
Is your mother partner?
What you call lively in Germany?
So you think more things open on Christmas Day?
This year, I don't know. The whole entire 2020 you can just dash away.
Yeah, who knows how much other years we have to dash away. Everybody did that away till 2021. Look at us now.
No, but next Christmas we celebrate just like we used to, guys, right? We all have hopes.
Yeah, we have to be positive.
Exactly.
So guys, we don't eat now.
No.
Mama still have munch.
And you don't finish your
My olives
ploughman.
Like, me like to enjoy them, I don't like eat them so much.
I don't know why you look like one.
Stop bullying me.
I would never do that.
I'm gonna tell my mom.
I'm always nice to my children.
I see that evil face there. That's why she have to get prank.
I get pranky all the time. But wait.
But guys, you see the prank I put for her, she not even in the frame proper, no lie. My prank them just ever now work out how me plan them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna work so hard enough for you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I work so hard for no laugh this time because it look like me have a laughing problem.
Laughing problem?
Yeah, me just a laugh at the prank. The first one me laugh at, then you still believe me in the end.
You become and I know you're such a liar.
Yeah, but me didn't laugh, so you couldn't believe the foolishness. Can you get please?
It's my piece, no?
She kind of God.
Ja. Guck mal, wie groß das Stück ist, ne? The first thing we eat today. Can you imagine that picnic and make me dead? Just so she can set up camera and light and whatever else, no?
Ow! Just so you can wait 2 seconds and here comes up the place even more.
Oh. Ja, eine schöne Krümel auch mit, ne?
I guess for the next mukbang we're doing, we're gonna make sure you guys can see on the table. Or maybe not because it's a mess
No,
right
better
now.
not. You don't want to see that. And she makes just such a mess, really. I didn't want my picnic to be that messy. Honestly, if your father would have seen this.
Mommy,
hello?
it's just
If
crumbs.
your daddy would have seen this.
Alright.
You get licked.
Shall roast me. Me clean it up. It's not that difficult. Mommy, you remember now?
I'm happy now. Nah. So where dessert? Nah.
Oh,
Need some dessert now. For my belly shrink.
one for dessert then.
Yeah, what? What kind of dessert do you have?
Your Christmas stolle or whatever you name.
Nah, that's too much.
Don't worry, we soon
Ich bin
have.
auf Diät, ne? Ich muss auf meine Linie achten. I have to watch my weight.
Mommy keep on talking in German like.
Ja, well,
She are telling
that's
us
how
that
many
she
you
the
can pick up
diet.
1-2 words, like, no?
As if they don't understand no word in a German.
It's the third most widely spoken language, hello?
You're right.
Ja?
There's a taught language, not spoken.
Well, what difference?
The difference is they won't understand you and you should speak more English. And maybe if you also speak less patois.
You speak Patois.
Oh, bitch.
I speak Patois, German, English, Denglish.
Mommy, I'm out one wipe off.
I don't say that. I'm not one wipe off, guys.
Me, I look out for her. Mine
Ach
one
so,
wipe
she
off.
say.
Mine one wipe off. Du hast hier noch.
Und deine Augenbrauen sind ja jetzt wieder normal, ne?
You see, she taught German again. You don't understand that?
You say your eyebrow them look normal again. Jeez!
Yeah, try to give me work for translator or something.
You should have seen her before. Look like Duppy Pan Road.
Guys, every time I say, you know, this video I'm gonna translate for Uno so that Uno understand what she's saying in German. But the problem is then, when I edit the video, I say, this is too much German. Me cannot translate all of this.
Seriously, you live here how long now, unfortunately? Oh,
No,
God. How
not-
many years we are here now stuck?
Not in that sense, but if me would have stood and like, translate everything what you say, sometimes I would have just did there translate for a whole day. We feel like, so we just have to left it.
Yeah, but you're studying here, so you should know some German by now.
It's not that I don't know how to, it's that it would be so much work to translate it back.
But you have time.
Yeah, we have so much time, guys. We have no time at all. That's a problem.
A little bit studying on this side, right, people? Huh.
You make it sound like it's so easy. You don't want to study for me, I see.
I'm such a math genius, also I do that with my left hand.
You see that I want German phrase. I don't think that in English is there, you know.
Yeah, it no. Elefant. Machst du mit links?
Yeah, no, like in German there's a saying, say something so easy you can do it with the elephant.
Macht mal mit links.
So she just said it in German, but I don't think that's an English thing, so the people that must have wonder what she talking about.
They must have wonder a lot. Sorry, guys.
Oh Gott.
So bist du jetzt bald fertig mit deinen 3 Oliven hier. Boy, she smell of a garlic already. Wow. Whoa.
Probably I exposed it by camera.
You don't want to smell that. You laugh, but that serious thing that you want to kill me? She want to kill me?
Me a joke.
Oh, tut mir aber leid.
Jesus, that was so hard.
Ja, das muss man hart machen, ne? Bevor du erstickst.
I feel I wonder. Still shit that German again. What you just say?
You have to really lick her hard also. You know, anybody get something in the wrong throat also, you have to lick him hard and then back.
You never have
And if you get any more serious than that also, there's a Heimlichgriff. And there, I don't know any English word for that also, but that's more complicated. But I saved my 2 picnic life with that. Each one time when you wanna still liquor. I think you swallow one piece of chewing gum like one of the big ball them in Jamaica, man, and I think shit dead.
Germany. We have some big chewing gum like this where it get out of the machine.
Oh, you know how Germany were so liquor, how you remember that?
As if we could have forget my life flash before my eyes. And mommy grabbed me like, and he should never get it out. And in the end, we have to put my finger down my throat.
No, me hold you upside down.
It never worked. Remember like yesterday. And me did have to use my finger like scoop it all and run over something like so.
Yeah, it was really scary. I think every parent's gone through this at least once, or that. Yeah, I think so. It was scary.
Yeah, I remember. I don't think I remember.
But it happened to Sarah one time too.
I remember first though, so I remember when she feared.
And the 2 of them, each one of them will lose one piece of tooth, sake of them always eat the chicken bone, them Jamaican style. You know, remember that. Because you never listen.
We are Jamaican mommy, some things I can't get out of we know.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so see y'all in the next video. We're gonna build a Christmas tree.
Yay!
So peace, like, share, subscribe. See y'all next time. Adios.
Tschüss.
So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow.